Welcome to Tommensense Motors. It is a pleasure to be with you here. And again, in front of my BMW E90, my 2007 BMW E90. And in future videos, so I've uploaded the current videos. In future videos, what we're going to talk about is the next strategies that I have going forward for the BMW. So where we're currently at is it runs and drives. However, the BMW definitely has some issues, and now it's electrical. So ride height sensors and some motor ABS things are happening. So in the next video that I'm going to post to Tommensense Motors, I'm going to go through the process of going through Beamer Geeks and trying to sort out the imperfections that Helga has here. And again, right now she's driving. I can drive it down. However, I'm choosing not to because again, it's not my primary vehicle anyways. I will post a video, try and do it at least once per week, probably like on a Saturday or Sunday. And this is, again, this Tommensense Motors, I want to specifically talk about Helga and any other vehicle projects I may have in the future, because this is something I am passionate about as well. So if you follow Tommensense Financial, I hope you can start to follow Tommensense Motors as well. Let's grow this page. And this is where I'll be able to talk to more specifically about vehicles, BMW right now specifically, because obviously this is what I'm working on. But again, future projects might turn into something else. So again, thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, and I hope to help somebody out there working on their BMW as I am right now.